Stop. Look at this plant. It has no soil, no dirt, nothing. And it just grew 3 times faster than anything in your garden. How? Here's the crazy part. 2 systems are already doing this right now, all over the world. No soil, no guessing, just science. One of them is simple, safe, and perfect for beginners. The other, it's the most efficient farming technology on the planet. But one wrong move and your entire crop dies overnight. So which one should you choose? That's exactly what we're going to find out today. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how both systems work, which one costs less, which one wastes less water, and most importantly, which one actually makes sense for your situation. Not theory, real decisions. Quick roadmap. We've broken this down into 4 simple parts. First, we'll cover how hydroponics works and why millions of farmers already trust it. Then we'll dive into aeroponics, the high-tech system that's changing the game. After that, we'll put both side by side. Cost, water, risk, everything. So you can see the real difference. And finally, we'll walk through real scenarios and help you pick the right one for your life. Quick thing, if you're into smart farming and want to stay ahead of the game, hit like and subscribe right now. It takes 2 seconds, and you'll never miss a video from Smart Farming Inside. Let's get into it. Part 1. What is hydroponics? Forget everything you think you know about farming, because in this system, soil isn't just unnecessary, it's actually in the way. Hydroponics is a soilless farming method where plants grow directly in water that's been mixed with nutrients. That's it. The water does the job that soil normally does. It carries food straight to the roots. Think of it like this. Soil is like a middleman. It holds nutrients and the roots dig through it to find them. Hydroponics? It cuts out the middleman entirely. The nutrients are right there, floating in the water, and the roots just absorb them directly. No searching, no wasting energy, just growth. And because the plant isn't fighting through dirt to find food, it grows faster, cleaner, and more evenly than traditional farming. We're talking significantly faster growth in controlled environments. The big advantages? 3 things. Control. You decide exactly how much water, nutrients, and oxygen the plant gets, every single day. That's why crops like lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, herbs, and strawberries do incredibly well in hydroponic systems, because you're giving them exactly what they need. Nothing more, nothing less. Water efficiency. Hydroponics uses up to 70 to 90% less water than traditional farming. Why? Because the water is recycled. It flows through the system, gets reused, and almost nothing is wasted. Compare that to soil farming, where water soaks into the ground and just disappears, and you can see why hydroponics is the future. Reliability. This system is stable. It's forgiving. If something small goes wrong, your plants don't instantly die. That's why hydroponics is used everywhere. Greenhouses, urban farms, rooftops, commercial operations. And it's the #1 recommended system for anyone just getting started in soilless farming. Part 2. What is aeroponics? Okay, now forget hydroponics for a second, because what I'm about to show you, this is a whole different level. Aeroponics is also a soilless system, but here's where it gets wild. The roots aren't in water. They're not in soil. They're just hanging in the air. And nutrients are delivered as a fine mist, sprayed directly onto the roots at precise intervals. Why does this matter? Oxygen. That's the key. In aeroponics, the roots are exposed to air constantly. And more oxygen means faster nutrient absorption, healthier roots, and faster growth. We're talking about the most oxygen-rich environment any plant can possibly get. No other farming system comes close. A pump in the system sprays a nutrient mist onto the roots every few seconds. That mist delivers water, nutrients, and oxygen all at once. And because the roots are in open air most of the time, almost no water is wasted. Aeroponics can use up to 95% less water than traditional farming. That's insane. But here's the catch, and this is the part most people skip over. Aeroponics is a high-precision system. If the power goes out, if a pump fails, if a nozzle clogs, the roots can dry out in minutes, not hours, minutes. One small mistake and you could lose everything. That's why aeroponics is mostly used in advanced setups, vertical farms, research facilities, commercial operations with backup power and technical support. It's not for casual growers. It demands precision, constant monitoring, and reliable electricity. Part 3. Head-to-head comparison. All right, now here's where it gets real. Let's put these two systems side by side and see exactly how they stack up. I've put together a full comparison so you can see the difference at a glance. Take a look. See the pattern. Hydroponics is the safer, more accessible choice. It costs less, it's easier to manage, and it works even if things aren't perfect. Aeroponics is faster and more water efficient, but it demands a lot more from you in return. The question isn't which system is better. The question is, which one is better for you? And that's exactly what Part 4 is about. Part 4. Which system is best for you? Instead of just picking a winner, let's look at real situations and figure out what actually works. Scenario 1. You're a beginner or small-scale grower. Just starting out. This one's for you. If you want to grow vegetables on a rooftop, in your backyard, or in a small greenhouse, hydroponics is your answer. It's simple, it's stable, and if you make a small mistake, your plants don't die. You learn at your own pace, without the stress of risking your entire harvest. Scenario 2. Your budget is tight, or electricity is unreliable. Be honest with yourself here. This one matters more than people think. Aeroponics needs constant power. If the mist stops, roots dry out fast. If your electricity cuts out regularly or your budget can't handle the setup cost, aeroponics is a gamble. Hydroponics keeps roots safe in water, so your plants survive even during short disruptions. Scenario 3. You run a high-tech or commercial farm already in the game. Then it's time to level up. If you have backup power, technical support, and a controlled environment, aeroponics can deliver incredible results. We're talking maximum speed, maximum efficiency, and yields that traditional farming can't match. This is the system used in vertical farms and cutting-edge research. Scenario 4. Low risk versus high performance. It really comes down to this. If your priority is stability and peace of mind, go with hydroponics. If you want the fastest, most efficient growth possible, and you can handle the technical demands, aeroponics is the move. The right choice depends on your risk tolerance, not just the technology. So here's the bottom line. There is no single winner here. Hydroponics is stable, beginner-friendly, and practical for most people. Aeroponics is advanced, fast, and built for high-performance setups. The right choice depends entirely on your budget, your electricity, your skill level, and how much risk you're willing to take. Start with what you can manage today. Master it. And when you're ready, you can always upgrade. If this video helped you understand soilless farming, drop a comment below and let us know which system you would choose and why. We read every single one. And if you want to keep learning smart farming the practical way, hit subscribe. Don't miss the next one.